Hi everyone, I'm Çınar Kambur and I'm going to introduce my EEE102 term project. In my project, I wanted to design a Bluetooth controlled car. I bought required material from an electronics store, then I constructed the car. Let me introduce the car. Here is the car and here is the base 3 board. Here is the Bluetooth module HC06, the code of it is, and here is the motor driver. It can be seen from here, and I made the connections between these two and base 3 board correctly and successfully. I have two power supplies. The first one is the power bank, which gives power to the base 3 as well as to the Bluetooth module, and here is the power bank, and the power is given via the micro USB cable to the base 3 board, and from the base 3 the power is given to the Bluetooth module with the help of the jumper wires and the breadboard. The second power supply is the DC power supply, which gives power to the motor driver to rotate the motors. It's given from these jumper wires in the laboratory. And the code of the design was written in VHDL, and this code was loaded to base 3 board's memory. The code was stored in the internal memory of the base 3. In this EEE102 lab project, I learned a lot of property about the electronics. I learned how to read datasheets correctly, how to make connections between the modules, and one of the most important thing is how to make a real-life Bluetooth controlled car. I experienced the outside of the theoretical world in this project. Also, understanding how to write VHDL code was one of the main experiences I got from this project. How the car works and how to connect the application to the Bluetooth module is demonstrated, and you can now see how the Bluetooth controlled car functions. First place, I'm gonna put the DC power supplies plus part to the motor drivers 12-volt part and to the ground part, and then I'm gonna use a power bank as a power source to my base 3 board, and I'm gonna make connections to it, and the code is implemented to the base 3 via a laptop, and it's in its memory. I give power to the base 3, and I'm gonna take output from DC power supply. Everything is okay. Bluetooth module has a light on of it, and I'm gonna connect the application to the car like that. The HC06 module, and it's connected. The green light is here, and then I'm gonna control it. It goes forward, it goes backwards, as it can be seen. Also, it can return in the clockwise direction and onto the counterclockwise direction, as it can be seen. It's really fast and usable. Thanks for your attention. To conclude, in this project I learned a lot of things. I experienced how to make a project from the beginning to the end. The experiences I got in this project was great. Thanks for your attention.